Hashtag CIJAM.
Welcome to the port of Malaga. The rent-a-bike Segway tours couldn't be more conveniently located. You can do a panoramic train ride around the port. Such a good idea. There are vapor sprays to keep you cool. And the Malaga Park has the best collection of tropical and subtropical flora and fauna in the whole of the Mediterranean. We got a map from the tourist office, and this is the main street in Malaga, and this is where we're starting our tourist walk. The cathedral looks beautiful in this evening light. This is the Picasso Museum. It's 7 o'clock in the evening and there's still a queue. This is the amphitheatre, and behind us are the castle walls.
Check out our film on Mijas. It's a town very near to Malaga and it's beautiful.
Entry to the castle is free and the views are spectacular.
Please hit the subscribe button and share with your friends. And if you have time, I'd love you to read Cruise Ship Heist, the first of our cruise thrillers.